I want to use this example to demonstrate how to create a pie chart and a bar chart. First, I assume you already have a frequency table like this one. In order to create a pie chart, so first select the range of the data. Then click Insert. There are many different types of chart here. I choose pie chart. I just use the first one. Now we already have the pie chart. You can try to edit the pie chart a little bit. For example, so double click the title, change the name to department. You can also add numbers. For example, so click Add Chart Element, click Data Labels, and outside end. Now the frequency count also added to the pie chart. If you want to create a bar chart, follow similar steps. First, select the range of the data. Click Insert. There are vertical bar chart and horizontal bar chart. I choose the vertical one. Just use the first one. Okay, double click the title. I change the title to department. Now I have the bar chart.